Mark. Happy birthday. Mark, I wish you all the best. And stay humble and be a good boy always to your mom and dad. And enjoy your day.
Hello Mark! Happy birthday! Ay mga wish ko sa iyo ay sana ay maging mabait ka paglaki at sana tuloy-tuloy mo lang yung pangarap.
Happy birthday! Sana masaya ka na yung birthday mo. Wish ko sa kanya, sana lumaki siyang may takot sa Diyos at ipagpatuloy niya lang yung pagiging palakaibigan niya at hindi siya mahiyain sa bata.
Wish ko kay Mark,
Let us
lagi
all
lang
welcome our birthday
maging
celebrant for this
napakabait na bata, saka mapagmahal sa magulang.
Happy birthday, Mark! I love you. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay maging successful ka sa buhay mo. At andito lang si ate sa tabi mo. Tapos maging malusog ka palagi. I love you.
Well, I'm the one that chose Mark Alexander Alba because I've seen this famous singer in New York, Mark Anthony. So I make plus Alexander the Great. So I make it Mark Alexander Alba. That's how it started. Yeah, I'm the one that really made that Mark.
Happy birthday, Maggie. I love you.
Wow!
Happy birthday. I love you. Happy birthday, Maki. Be a good boy every day.
Wow!
Happy birthday, Maki. We love you. Birthday to you, Mark.
Well, Mark, all I can say to you, you are a very thoughtful son and a very good son, very intelligent. And continue what Daddy and Mommy is saying to you because I want you and Ate Yel to become a doctor in New York City. It's not only that, maybe I want you to enroll at the West Point Academy to become a Filipino-American general. That's what I wish for you, Mark. Okay? So listen to Daddy of what I'm saying. Okay, Mark? Because I know you can do it. You are a very smart boy. Okay? All right. That's all I can say to you, Mark. And good luck.
Mark, alam mo na mahal ka ni Mami, ni Daddy, at saka ni Ate Oriel. Sana hindi ka magbago. Ang pangarap namin sa iyo, maging successful ka sa iyong pangarap kung ano man ang iyong gusto. Susuportahan ka namin ni Daddy at ni Ate Oriel. I love you, Mark.
Okay,
Happy
Mark,
birthday,
happy birthday.
Mark.
And more to come, okay? And be, like I said, you're a good boy and continue to be a good boy.